Rodents get into basements through sump pits, so installing rodent-proof sump pump covers and sealed access panels is the most direct DIY defense. Start by measuring the sump pit opening and select a rigid cover made of heavy gauge steel or thick ABS plastic that fits snugly over the pit and has a compressible gasket to form an airtight seal. Cut and fit the discharge pipe and electrical conduit so they pass through purpose-made sealed grommets or conduit plates. If using rubber grommets, choose ones rated for outdoor use, and trim them so wires and pipes make a tight fit without gaps. For vents or intentional air passages, replace open screen vents with rodent-proof vent grommets that have a fine stainless steel mesh and a foam backing to maintain airflow while blocking pests. When fitting an access panel above or beside the sump, use continuous compression gasketing around the perimeter and at least 3 tamper-resistant fasteners so the panel stays sealed under vibration. Maintain the system by inspecting seals and grommets every 3 months, wiping away debris, and replacing any degraded foam or rubber immediately to prevent small breaches. Always test pump operation after installing a cover by simulating a rise in water level and confirming the pump runs and floats do not hang on the cover or grommets. Common problems start with selecting a cover that restricts pump movement or float switch travel, which can be prevented by measuring float travel and choosing a cover with a removable center or an access port for the float. Another frequent issue is leaving gaps at conduit or pipe penetrations, and the fix is to use correctly sized sealed grommets or foam backer rods and silicone rated for constant moisture to fill any remaining voids. Homeowners often neglect periodic checks and discover degraded seals after a rodent entry, so set a calendar reminder to inspect seals and run a pump test every 3 months and replace materials at the first sign of cracking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on basement and sump solutions and helps contractors find projects in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where members share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world troubleshooting advice.